Hello, water wizards. Ready to channel your inner hydro engineer? Let's learn to catch and use every drop the sky sends our way. First up, become a rain detective. Watch how water flows across your land. Does it pool or run off? Time to turn detective work into water wisdom. Let's get dirty. Dig a swale along the natural flow lines. This isn't just a ditch, it's a superhighway for rainwater, directing it where it's needed most. Next, create a splash with a rain garden. Fill it with water-loving plants. It's a natural sponge, soaking up excess water and saying bye-bye to runoff. Don't let any drops escape. Hook up a rain barrel to your gutter. Water your garden, not the storm drain. Watch your garden thrive with all that captured moisture. You've turned rain into a resource rather than a runoff problem. Now kick back and listen to the soothing sounds of your water-smart landscape. You've mastered the art of water management. Fascinated by the flow? Hit like, subscribe, and dive into more water-wise adventures with us.